Yo, what it is, everybody? Thanks for tuning back into another episode here on the Speed Bug channel. Today we got a day where I'm actually going to install another windscreen, very similar before. We got a black one here. I got this from a girl here for Christmas. So we got her black windscreen, nice blacked out, little double bubble, because the one that comes on the stock Gsxr is just hideous. It is just hideous. So we're gonna go ahead and get her that double bubble life, black it out a little bit, give it a little bit of a speed bug touch, and get her sitting a little bit right. It'll make it a little bit easier and more comfortable for her to ride. So get these mirrors off, get this off. We're gonna still leave the mirrors on. We're not gonna take them off because she likes them. Get this off, and then throw the new one on. So let's get it rolling. All right, now I was actually able to get the windscreen out pretty quickly without actually lifting up and taking off the mirrors. What I'm gonna actually do is I'm not gonna take them off completely. What I'm gonna do is loosen them just enough so I can pull the fairing back a little bit after I put the small rubber grommets into the new windshield. And then we're gonna go ahead and push this back in. So should just slide right in. And we're not going to use the drill, obviously, to put the windshield back on. So don't use that. Do it by hand with a screwdriver. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the windshield installed. Nice little double bubble, and you can still see through it. So at nighttime, it's perfectly dark, but it adds good character, but it's still pretty dark, and you can see through it during the day. So nice little aesthetic mod, a little performance, help cut down the wind when you're tucked down. And we are on our way to making this a more badass motorcycle. Ease of installation on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say maybe about 3 or 4, because you kind of got to wiggle the front fairing on. But just basic hand tools, 10mm and a Phillips screwdriver, that'll take care of the job. So that's gonna wrap it up here for today's video. I hope you guys liked what you saw, and most of all, hope it was informative. Facebook, Instagram at Speedbug, same name here as YouTube. See you for another episode here on the Speedbug channel. Deuces.